Greetings, geeks. Welcome to Geek to Me Crafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies as well as provide tutorials and DIYs. Today I have episode 2 of Watch Me Clean My Craft Room. I have done a video like this before, but after the Christmas rush with my eBay shop, which I will link down below, I am needing to clean this room up again. This is my spare bedroom. I'm having some family come for Christmas, so this room's got to get cleaned up. I will put all the links for any videos that I think are relevant down in the description box. Please check out my eBay shop as well. I am going to just not talk through the rest of the video, and then make sure you stick around to the end and check out my other videos. Thank you and Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching till the end. If you got value out of this, please like and subscribe.